Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Salman Techno. My name is Salman, and it is the second part of my video, and it is still about HTML. Now, I'm going to show you about attributes and commands. And I want to say that don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and then stay in this video so you will understand about this material. Okay, let's just start it. Okay, guys, so do you remember all about HTML tags and elements? Okay, guys. So opening tag shows the start point of the element. In the opening tag, there is an attribute and the function is to give additional information to the element. It means that attributes are special words used inside the opening tag to control the element's behavior. Command is a small note that we can add it in the source code without changing the function from the program which have been made by us. So it means that the command's existence in source code will be ignored by the computer when the program runs. Commands aren't displayed in the browser, so that is the clue. HTML command starts with angle brackets, exclamation mark, and two horizontal line symbols, and ends with two horizontal line symbol and angle brackets. Okay, guys, if you want to know all about attributes and commands, let's go to the Sublime text. Okay, guys, so now we are in the Sublime text. Okay, now I'm gonna show you about attribute and command tags in HTML. And wait, in here there's also the HTML tags and elements in here, but maybe I'm gonna separate it first, okay, with BR and HR tags. Oh, first I have to write the BR tag in here. Okay, now I'm gonna separate it about tags and elements. I mean, between tags and elements, also the attributes and comments. Okay, so the today's lesson is attributes and comments. The first is about attributes. So you know, right, that the attributes are special words used inside the opening tag to control the element's behavior. Okay, now I'm gonna make it about the HTML elements. Oh my god, not element, but attributes in here first. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Now about attributes, I'm gonna show you. The first is about img tag. It's for image and also for the link tag a ref. I mean a tag, also the href tag. Okay, the first is about image tag. I'm going to show you in here about image. It means that in image tag there are two attributes in there. There are width and also the source of the picture. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, now if I want to search all pictures in Google Chrome, okay, let me show you how to do it. Or maybe I can take the picture of the Salman Techno logo in here, Salman Techno. Okay, now I'm gonna copy the link address, and then let's go back to the Sublime text. Okay, now I'm gonna show you about image tag. So you can write like this: img with, and also the source. Okay, so that's what I do. img tag also with the two attributes such as width and source. Okay, so the width you can set up from 0% until 100%, or maybe you can write it in pixels. Okay, for the source you can copy the, we can paste the link address in here, and for example maybe the width, let me let it, and then I'm going to show you about the width in here. Okay, now let's go to the Google Chrome, and I'm gonna reload this page. Oh my god, let's go to the Google, the Sublime text again. You can see in here HTTPS Salman Techno. Okay, So why there is an error in there? Because we can know in here it is actually the link, and it's supposed to be in a ref. It means the link tag. Okay. Now let's go back to the Salman Techno again, and then maybe I can click open image in tab, and then I'm gonna copy this link. Let's go back to the Sublime Text. Okay, now I'm gonna save it, and let's go back to the Google Chrome. I'm gonna refresh it. Okay, guys, you see in here, so there's the logo of Salman Techno in here. And then if you want to write the width in here, you can type here width equals, maybe I can write it, maybe it is 80%, and then I'm gonna save it. Let's go back to the Google Chrome. I'm gonna refresh it. So this is the result. It's more bigger than just now. Yeah, you can see it here. And if I want to set up the width again, I mean, write it into 50%. So the result will be like this. Okay, it is smaller than the previous one. And if I want to write 20% or 30%, it will be more smaller than just now. Okay, here is the result. And now I'm going to show you about HTML attributes, same like just now, but about a ref. Okay, that's for the link tag. Okay, so you can type like this, a ref. So this is only one. I mean, in the link tag, there is one attribute, and it is ref. Okay, maybe I can show this first, and then make the new one. I mean, make the newest one. Okay, a ref, and then you can copy it from Google Chrome in here. So this is the link. I'm gonna copy it, and let's go back to the Sublime Text, and I will paste this link to the ref attribute. Okay, so if we click href Salman Techno, so we will be directed to Salman Techno website, and I'm gonna type it, I mean write it into Salman Techno official website, and then there's also the closing tag of the link tag. Okay, I'm gonna save it, and let's go back to the let's learn HTML coding.html result in Google Chrome. Okay, now I'm gonna refresh it in here. So it's actually very small. I'm gonna make it into the biggest one. Okay, I'm gonna separate it first. Two BR tags in here. Yeah, and then I'm gonna type the heading to h2 tag, and then I'm gonna save it. Let's go back. Oh, sorry. So this is the result. I'm gonna separate with two BR tags in here, and then also h2 for the font, the heading in here, and also the link tag. So you can see in here href Salman Techno and Salman Techno official website. Okay, let's go back to the Google Chrome again. I'm gonna reload it, and this is the result. So if we click this, so we will be directed to Salman Techno channel. I mean salmantechno.com. I'm sorry, just now. Okay, now I'm go back to the coding.html site in Google Chrome. And how if we want to separate between this file and also the official website in new tab? Okay, I'm going to show you. So it is simple. You can write in here target blank. So there are two attributes in here for link tag. There are ref and target. Okay, there are two, ref and target. You can memorize it. Okay, so I'm gonna save it, and then let's go back to the Google Chrome. I'm gonna refresh it. It's actually same, but you will see in here 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it means we separate it between the tab about HTML coding result and also the Salman Techno website in the newest tab. Okay, so it is simple, right? Okay, guys, now all about HTML attributes which have been explained by me, and today, not today, now I'm gonna show you all about HTML comments. Okay, guys, maybe I can separate it first between HTML attributes and comments in here by writing two BR tags in here, okay? And I'm gonna make the new one, HTML comment. Okay, guys, so that I have said before that the comments existence in source code will be ignored by the computer when the program runs. So comments aren't displayed in the browsers. And for the structure, HTML comments started from angle brackets, exclamation mark, and two horizontal line symbol. And it ends with two horizontal line symbol and angle brackets, okay? So if you want to know all about HTML comments, just stay tuned in my video. Don't go to anywhere. And let's go to the HTML comments. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you. Maybe there are 4 sentences in here. The first one is let's learn HTML. The second one is learning HTML is fun. The third is I'm learning about HTML in Salman Techno channel right now. And the fourth is my name is Salman. I live in Jakarta, Indonesia. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you about HTML commands. And for example, in here is H1. Okay. So yeah, if you want to know about H1, so it's actually the heading in here. So the font size will be bigger than the previous one. H2 until paragraph, okay? Now for the H1 in here, I'm gonna show you, for example, like just now, let's learn HTML, okay? Second sentence in here, learning HTML is fun. Third one is I'm learning HTML in Salman Techno channel right now. And the last one is hello, my name is Salman. I live in Jakarta, Indonesia. Okay. Now we have to know how to put the comments in 4 sentences, but one by one, okay? So if I'm gonna save it and let's go to the Google Chrome, I'm gonna reload this page and this is the result. Okay, so there are 4 sentences in here, or maybe I can separate it first, okay? With 3 or 4 BR text in here. BR. Gonna save it and let's go back to the Google Chrome, guys. Now I'm gonna reload it. So this is the result. There are 4 sentences in here, as you can see, guys. As you can see, everybody in here, 4 sentences. Let's learn HTML. Learning HTML is fun. I'm learning HTML in Salman Techno channel right now. And hello, my name is Salman. I live in Jakarta, Indonesia. Okay, now how to put the comments, for example, in Let's Learn HTML that I have showed before. about angle brackets, exclamation mark, two horizontal line symbol. So it is actually the starting point of it. And the ending is two horizontal line symbol and also the angle brackets. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Oh, so this is the example of HTML comments in here. So it starts from angle brackets, exclamation mark, and two horizontal symbols, and ends with two horizontal symbols, also the angle brackets in here. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to put the comment in the first sentence first. So I'm gonna write like this, okay? And this is the ending point. Okay, I'm gonna save it. And this is the result. So you will see in here, you can see in here that the let's learn HTML sentence already deleted. Okay, now let's go back to Sublime Text and how to make it automatically. How to make it automatic. Okay, so you can click Control and slash, and then we save it. So as you can see in here, the result is same like just now. And then how about if I want to put the HTML comments in two sentences? Let's learn HTML, and learning HTML is fun. That's easy. So you can put this also, okay? And the rest is two sentences. I'm learning HTML in Salman Techno channel right now. And hello, my name is Salman. I live in Jakarta, Indonesia. Okay? And I'm gonna show you how to put the comments for 4 sentences in here. Okay? Wait, I'm gonna turn off the comments first in here. Oh my god. Okay. Now I'm going to show you about how to put the comments in 4 sentences in here. Okay, how to make it into deleted. Okay, 4 sentences. How to make all 4 sentences will be deleted. That's what I mean. So you can do like this. You have to block from the starting point until the ending point in here, and then you can make it automatic by clicking Control and slash. So this is the effective one. Okay, now I'm gonna save it and let's go back to the Google Chrome. This is the result. So all 4 sentences in here already deleted. And how if I want to turn off the comments in here? Okay, so you can click Control and slash. So all 4 sentences will be go back to this website again. Let's learn HTML until this sentence. So I wish you know all about attributes and comments. Okay, right. Okay guys, so how is it just now? Do you already understand all about attributes and comments? I wish you all understand about that, because that's very, very important. And you can also memorize it one by one, okay? Now I'm gonna show you the conclusion of this lesson. So the attribute is actually same like opening tag and closing tag. It means the HTML tag, okay? So it means that attributes are special words used inside the opening tag to control the element's behavior. And how about the comment? Okay, so comment is a small note that we can edit in the source code without changing the function from the program which has been made by us. And comment existence in source code will be ignored by the computer when the program runs. It means that the sentence or the word will be deleted in the program. Okay, so I'm gonna say that don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so you will know all about programming in Salman Techno channel. And my name is Salman. Thank you for today, and have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.
Run.